Hello there everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel, Geek here. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to install Zenmap. Now, if you guys may or may not know, Zenmap is a security scanner graphical user interface for Nmap basically. It's basically used to help beginners use Nmap in a more simpler way. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with the installation process. Now let me just head on over to my terminal. Now I'm going to go ahead and run sudo apt update. All the commands will be placed in the description box below. So now that the terminal has been updated, I'm going to go ahead and run sudo apt install kboxer y. So now that kboxer has been successfully installed, I'm going to just go ahead and run sudo apt install Zenmap kbx. Now to start up Zenmap, let's just go ahead and run sudo kboxer run Zenmap. And as you guys can see, Zenmap is now successfully installed. So that's just basically it, guys. Simple, straightforward tutorial. Now if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment in the comment section, and take subscribing into consideration. Until next time, Geek is out, guys. Peace.